Hola mi gente, how's everyone doing? My name is Carlos Ruiz, also known as Taco Spicy. Today, we're going to be shaking up a Passionfruit Margarita featuring the one and only Teremana tequila from Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Super excited to shake up a cocktail with this. Alright, so to get started, we got a mixture, we have everything. We got our tools, we got our ingredients, we got our garnishes, everything's ready to go. Alright, let's grab our tin. We're going to start off with the syrup first. So half an ounce of agave syrup. There you go. Throw it right in there. You always want to build the cocktail with the cheapest ingredients first, just in case you make a mistake. Just a quick tip. Next, we're going to do fresh lime juice, an ounce of fresh lime juice. There you go. Next, some passion fruit juice, 3/4 of an ounce. Nice. Next ingredient, we're going to be putting some Cointreau, 1/4 ounce of Cointreau into the cocktail. And now bitters. Now what do bitters do to cocktail? They actually enhance the flavor profile of every single ingredient that's in here. So these bittermen's tiki bitters actually have flavors of clove and cinnamon. So I just put 3 dashes of that in the cocktail. And next, the star of the show, Teremana tequila. We're gonna put 2 ounces of this bad boy into our cocktail. There you go. Boom. Let's grab some ice, throw the ice in the tin because we're about to get shaken. Okay. Look at that. Nice. Let's grab our ice, throw some ice inside the glass. That pretty ice. If you don't have a big block of ice, you could also use regular ice. That's totally fine. Now we're gonna strain the cocktail. Look at that. And to garnish it, we're gonna finish it off with some mint. So with the mint, first you gotta slap it to release all those oils. Go like that on top, and there you have it. Passionfruit Margarita. Cheers.